2023 Cadillac Escalade. With less than 24,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features. Lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.